Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to do another weird intro again with this voiceover stuff, only because this video I was just all over the place. And me and my brother and a couple of his friends went down to the Keys this weekend. We jumped on a charter boat out there. It was his bachelor's party, so we decided to go on a fishing charter down there, and we hooked up onto a couple of fish. I got a nice 19.5-inch mutton, and the boys all hooked up on fish. It was pretty fun. A couple of them got seasick, but it was all cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a bit weird with the whole voiceover stuff, but from here on out, I promise you, it will be a little bit better.
Oh, nice, bro. That's nice.
Oh, bro, that's some shark bait right there, bro.
Fish on.
Can we keep the blue runner? Yeah.
Hitting the bottom? Just hit the bottom? Here's a little bigger. That's snapping.
Grouper. That one's a blue runner.
Is this one?
Blue runner.
Oh, wow.
Tell me how you lost the shark, dog.
I don't know, bro.
Come on, I want to hear the truth.
It's because when I reeled it up, I didn't sing shark.
Yeah, that'll do it, bro. If you don't sing, they're gonna cut that line and just run, bro.
Oh, wait. Don't post this. Don't post this.
Yo! Bro, Papa lost it, bro.
The black tip.
Oh, it's a black tip, man.
Thanks, bro. That's good to eat. Are we gonna eat it?
Oh, sorry, man.
Let's eat it. Yeah, Dante's.
It's a black tip.
You can take it?
You know the big ass one I caught a couple weeks ago? The same thing, but smaller. Go after that mutton, catch one of these, bro. Kind of depressing, bro. Make it 11 though, man. Bring it up, Rob. Bring it up before you lose it, bro. Hurry up, Rob. Rob, swing him over. There you go.
Strawberry.
Hey, he got my money, bro.
That's a rock eye.
That's a nice grouper, bro.
Legal.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Rob.
Yeah.
What's up, baby?
That's good. You did good.
Oh, yeah. What kind of fish is
It's
it?
a grouper, man.
It's a grouper. Yep. You're good. You caught 'em on squid. Reinforce that squid. Put big old wad on there.
Can we get more bait right here?
Yeah, that's good.
What'd you say, Rob? What'd you say?
I said, get money. Give my 10 bucks.
Rob, what's up? Any. No, he hit me hard though. Oh, there he is. Oh.
Is it recording?
I'm a piece of nail.
Yo, it's not a fucking rock, dude.
Segura aqui. Tá filmando.
Yeah, hooks.
That's a big one. Wow, that's a macro snapper. That's probably pretty good. Did you catch that?
No, he did.
No, that's Ivan's.
Hey, Ivan, you should have
That's
bet.
that dog right there.
That's that patience.
That's why they call it snapper. Look, that's a mean sound gun. You do not want to put your finger in there.
I never seen a mangrove that size.
That is
What was that, 20?
That's no, I would say it's a good 18.
18? Damn. So this part of the video right here was just me talking about how I caught my BP, my personal best mutton snapper. It was about 19.5 inches, and I was also complaining at the fact that Rob failed to record me fighting the fish.
So if I throw some, like...
Look at that big jack too, right there.
You put your hand down there and then you out.
Look at this guy, dude.
So if
That's
I
at least
throw-
150
if
pounds
I
right
grab
there.
my fishing rod right now,
You will lose.
Yeah? What do you need to catch
You
that?
just need like open water.
Yeah. That is so
Dude, look at this tarpon, dude.
huge, bro. I've never seen fish that big.
That's crazy. All over too, bro. Right under the charter boats.
Yeah?
The way you get around it is get on your kayak and get up in there.
Bro, that is ridiculous. Even those
They can't say
over
anything.
there, bro. Like those right there.
Oh yeah, those are jacks. Big ass jack crevalles.
That is so much fish. That is so much food.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. As always, if you made it to this point in the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments below.